Welcome to Detail and Drive, the channel where we bring you in-depth car reviews, expert insights, and the latest updates from the automotive world. If you love classic cars, modern muscle, and everything in between, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into a legendary name making a comeback, the 2025 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. This is a car that blends old-school charm with modern performance, giving enthusiasts a reason to be excited. The Caprice Classic has always been known for its presence on the road. From its early days as a full-size luxury sedan to its later years as a powerful V8 cruiser, it has built a reputation that still holds strong today. Chevrolet has decided to bring it back for 2025, and this time, it's a perfect mix of retro styling and advanced technology. The new Caprice Classic pays tribute to its predecessors while incorporating the latest innovations in performance, comfort, and safety. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers two engine options. The standard 3.6-liter V6 engine produces around 335 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. For those who crave more power, an available 6.2-liter V8 engine generates 455 horsepower, bringing back the raw strength that made the Caprice Classic a favorite among performance enthusiasts. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this car offers a refined yet thrilling driving experience. The exterior design is a blend of nostalgia and modern aesthetics. The long, sleek bodylines, chrome accents, and signature Caprice grille instantly remind us of its glorious past. LED headlights and taillights give it a contemporary touch, while the classic badging and optional vinyl roof package bring back the iconic style of the past. Chevrolet also offers a variety of wheel options, including retro-inspired wire-spoke wheels and modern alloy designs, allowing buyers to customize their Caprice Classic to match their personality. Inside the cabin, Chevrolet has crafted an interior that balances luxury with technology. Plush leather seats, real wood trim, and ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system, connectivity and entertainment are at their best. The spacious cabin ensures maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers, making it an ideal car for long road trips or daily commuting. One of the standout features of the 2025 Caprice Classic is its advanced driving technology. Chevrolet has equipped this sedan with a full suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The Super Cruise hands-free driving system is also available, allowing for a relaxed and effortless highway driving.